Hello children, in this video I am going to explain you Act 4 Scene 1. This is one of the most important scenes of the play. This is the famous trial scene, also known as a court scene, marks the climax of the play. Antonio is tried in a court of law with all characters, including the Duke. At the very beginning of the scene, we come to know that the Duke appeals to Shylock to show mercy on Antonio. But Shylock is relentless in his revenge. He even refuses the offer of double amount by Bassanio. There are many other gentlemen and Christians who try their best to convince Shylock to show mercy on Antonio, but Shylock doesn't listen to any of them. After some time, a young lawyer and his clerk, sent by Dr. Valerio, come to the court to fight the case. Actually, the young lawyer and his clerk, they are none but Portia and Nerissa themselves. Portia also appeals to Shylock to show mercy on Antonio. She also explains the importance of mercy in human's life, and she reminds Shylock that if there had been no mercy in this world, none of us would have gained salvation. But Portia's words are useless for Shylock. He doesn't listen to Portia's words. When Portia comes to know that Shylock is determined to have his penalty as it is given in the agreement, she says to Shylock, "You can rightfully have each pound of flesh, but you must have only 1 pound of flesh. Remember, while cutting 1 pound of flesh, you cannot shed even a single drop of blood. Secondly, you must have only 1 pound, exact 1 pound. You cannot cut either more or less, exact 1 pound." After hearing this, Shylock comes to know the tables have been turned, and he thinks that he is now caught in a trap of his own making. Finally, to have his life pardoned, he has to part with one half of his fortune, bequeath all he has upon his death to Lorenzo, and become a Christian. His life has been pardoned by the Duke finally, showing mercy on Shylock. And at the end of the scene, Bassanio and Antonio, they are very grateful to the lawyer, that is Portia, and his clerk Nerissa, because Portia saved the life of Antonio from the cruel hands of Shylock. Now